I need my voice to come back. Hey everybody, it's Lily and I hope that you are doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a video. I am reviewing the Fenty, what is this? This is the Fenty Icon semi-matte lipstick. I have a few of these and then I have the little case that it comes in. So we're going to see if this contraption works and try to figure it out. I have not opened it. I have not tried the colors. I didn't test them when I went into Sephora. So I'm gonna try to work with this little thing and then we will get started.
There's so much about me, more than the eye can see, but I'm so glad to be no one to me.
This part is the case. Her packaging is great. Fenty's packaging is really nice. Nice and clean and crisp and all of that. Okay. All right. So I only purchased 2 colors because I thought if I get all of them and I don't like all of them, I'm not going to try them and then send them back or try them and take them back. I'm not doing that. So I got one called Major Magnet and then She a CEO. Okay, so this one is 08 and this one is 09. So they're very, very close in color range or whatever. But I just wanted to, okay. This looks very small to me. 3.8 grams, 0.134 ounces. Do I have a lipstick down here? I do. This is Lady by Juvia's Place. Let me see. 4 net grams. So it is just a little bit smaller. Let's see. I want to know. Okay. I've used Lady a few times. As you can see, that's the amount of product. And this is so crazy because this is really small. This one is She a CEO. This is 09. So that is quite a bit of product in here. It's just so small. Let me let it down before I make a mess. But yeah, it's just so small. It feels little, I guess. Okay, so with this, oh gosh, reading is so fundamental. Okay, it turns. Ooh, okay, hold on, y'all. Attach the base to feel. So it has to just come right up or turn or something. Oh gosh. I like gadgets, but let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Okay, it took me a little minute. Okay, so what you do is you uncover it. This is CEO still. So you uncover it and then you place it down like this. Reading is fundamental, by the way. All right, so you put it like that, just a regular tube, and then you take this part, click it in, and then you can travel with it. Okay. All right, so you just turn it, it comes up. Oh, that is so, okay. Now that I have figured it out, let me scoot over. Okay, so now that I figured it out, CEO is very pretty. It's a chocolate type shade. Oh, I love that. It's very pretty. I don't even think I need a liner. I'm gonna try it really quickly. I didn't bring a mirror down here. I'll just use this one. Oh. Smells nice. This is a really nice formula. Nice and creamy. They said semi-matte. And it is very, very creamy. Guys, this dress I have on is very loud, so a lot of colors. But that's She-EO. I'm gonna go ahead and take this lipstick off, and then we're gonna try the other one. Okay, so that one was She-EO. Now I'm going to go ahead and try Major Magnet. Oops. It's so funny. These feel so little. They feel like almost. This feels like a travel size as it is because it's so small. But I like that, the creativity. Okay. This one is almost so close to my skin tone. Now I want to go buy some more. But it's very, very cute. Very cute. Let's see. I want to put it in the little thing. Let's see. Just do it like that. And you can do it like this anyway, without the little casing, the case, whatever. So don't buy more than one case. There's no need. This one is a very similar. This shade is very similar to the other one. So I'm gonna just try it. This is 08. This is Major Magnet. I don't think I want to use a liner for it either. Let's see. Now, I was gonna say, there's nothing on my lips except for, you know, like when you do foundation or whatever, but it's not really budging, so. The creaminess. I could wear something with it. This is really pretty. I could wear like a liner with it. It's all thumbs today. Yeah. This is BFF4. I'm putting it on top of the liner. Oh, it's giving though. Okay. I just wanted to try these like really quick, so I didn't bring a lot of stuff down here. I wanted to try them really quick before I just put them in my makeup bag and just forgot all about them. But no, I like these. I like these, especially this one. This is the Lip Bar Trophy Wipe. I'm gonna put this over. Ooh, it's creamy. You don't need balm. You don't need lip balm or anything. Yeah, I like this. I like this lipstick. This is better than the Mademoiselle. If you've ever purchased her her lipsticks that were like the long tube, I didn't really care for those as much, but I like this formula much better. Let me know what you guys think. If you have tried it, let me know. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I just wanted it to be really short, really sweet, just try to see if this is kind of jumping on the bandwagon to see if this is a really good lipstick, if it works for me. But I love both colors. I should have bought some more. I was thinking, well, I may not like the formula, so that's why I only bought 2, but I'm definitely going to get some more. And as soon as I do, I'll let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to like it, put that thumbs up. I need you to comment down below, and please subscribe. Hit that bell notification to be notified anytime I have an upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.